Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, and this is another edition of the Story Behind the Car. And I go to car shows all the time, and not all the time can I find the owner, and this is no exception. This is a beautiful car, though. This was shot at the Porsche Club of America, the St. Louis chapter at the St. Louis Porsche, or Porsche of St. Louis. It's owned by Reid Vann, and Reid Vann is a Porsche dealer slash restoration shop here in St. Louis. This is one of his private collection. It's a 57 356 Speedster. The color is Aquamarine and red interior, and it's such an exceptionally nice vehicle. I just had to shoot it. I did not see him. I've never met him, but I shot the vehicle to the right. You can see there, that's another 356. That's owned by Peter LeBlanc, and super nice guy. He knows Reid. He's bought his vehicles from Reid, and they're good friends. But I had to shoot this just because the color and the quality of the vehicle. Just an amazing vehicle. It was a beautiful day. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed shooting it. And I've always heard these cars are just amazing to ride in and hit the twisties, because they drive and corner like nobody's business. So enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed. There's the Speedster rather, Speedster badging, and there's
I'm ready when you are.
information.
Okay.
Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next video.